What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Let's Play Missing, an interactive thriller. Now, I saw this game originally on Android and iOS, believe it or not, and it just recently made its way to Steam, being all updated in HD and all that fun stuff. But I'm a big fan of the full motion video adventure style, and this one looked pretty interesting. They didn't give much story, and I think that's kind of the point. There are supposed to be more episodes coming in the future, so it is a to be continued kind of thing. But let's see how far we get. Yeah, I wanna play. So I'm assuming that's us. And I have the subtitles on, just in case. Does this remind anybody of Saw? Just a little bit? Okay, looks like he was hanging there for a while. So what's with the family picture? You don't want anybody coming down after you. Okay, so this, I guess this is the game part now. Alright, so I need a key. What is this? That's probably inventory. Well, let's get the key. Oh, you can reach it. Oh! Alright, so that's not gonna work. What is this thing? I'm assuming I have to get this one over there? Ah! I'm so good. Nice. Okay, now you can get the key. Well, let's crack this thing open.
Is anybody out there? Let me out! Come on! Let me out!
Alright, I have no idea how I would even begin to guess at that one. What else we got? More of those puzzle things. Well, maybe this will work. Nope. That would have been way too easy. Anything over... What is that? What is that? I don't know, a bunch of letters? Maybe that'll help determine the lock on the door. Well, we definitely want the flashlight. Anything in the pocket? No. horoscope with more letters. Maybe it's a word search. Well, this door's flashlight. Oh, see, that's cool. I like how all the game elements, like, they seem to integrate with the video that was taken. What is that? I got a yellow pen or a highlighter. Notes? Oh, that's for the locker. Middle, up, down. Middle, up, down, down, middle. Middle, up, down, down, middle. I'm so good. Alright, there. Repugnant, terrible, unhappy, upset. That's way too many letters. How many did the lock? 1, 2, 3, 5. This is gonna be. Oh, there's another piece. This is gonna be fun. There. And there. And there. And there. Yay! What did we do? Do I actually have to do this? You gotta be kidding me. Wow. I see that one. What is the point to this? This has to be... how you get out of the door. Don't laugh. I'm not good at these. Go backwards? I didn't expect to be doing this. I don't like how it goes backwards too. That makes it a little more difficult. My brain can't handle this. There's one. That way. A lot of going backwards. Alright, I got them all. How does that help at all?
Hey!
Ooh, the blank ones. How am I supposed to put something together out of that? Hold on, I'll get it, I'll get it.
Hey!
Just go in order, duh. Sarah is the key. That took me way too long. And the phone starts ringing just as you open the door? Don't answer it, dude! Oh, you don't want to pick up the red phone. Don't do it. Don't pick it up. Don't do it.
Hello, you've reached Sarah. And Dave, we can't take your call at this moment. Please leave us a message.
Didn't know I had to pay attention to that stuff either. Okay. Hit the stuff in the circles. So we have multiple points of view to this, too? Huh. Now, who's this guy? I got it! I got it! I drank the coffee without spilling it on myself. Alright, so I gotta pay attention to those. Never know when those are gonna pop up. Crime scene kit? That's it? Okay. He's definitely a detective.
Detective Lambert?
That's the one.
Yeah. The vehicle is registered to Newcastle Construction.
Did you find anything?
Signs of struggle, so I called it in.
Good.
See broken glass there. So is this my car? It would have to be. So what do I do? Oh, flashlight, duh. There we go. Broken glass inside too. I noticed that walking up. I didn't need a flashlight for that. Alright, so I can... Oh, I can open the doors. Sweet. I'm trying to keep the mouse off of there so you can see all the video perfectly fine. Oh, is that blood on the screwdriver? I don't remember me bleeding. Maybe that's the rest of the family. Alright, so is that everything back here? Alright, let's close that one and check out the fronts. That's so cool! That's not your average point and click game when you can move doors. Lots of blueprints and stuff, but the family couldn't have been in the car. Maybe I was defending myself. But I didn't seem to know what was going on. It's the same picture from the door.
Where are you, David?
I don't know where I am. I gotta call it in.
All right, Sam. I need a forensic team. Now. I'm not gonna lose another one. Send the team now.
Another one. Caught by a serial killer? We're back to me. I think I might actually end this one here. We got both points of view so far. There could be more. Maybe I'll get to see the family. I actually don't know how long this is, but thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like. I'm gonna keep going through with this one till the end, so until the next one, have fun, everybody.